Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at risk management for driver trainers. Risks are events, situations or circumstances which lead to negative consequences for your driver training business. A good risk management plan with appropriate risk management strategies can minimize costly and stressful problems and may also reduce insurance claims and premiums. A risk management plan describes the potential risks, contains an analysis of the impact of each risk, and includes risk strategies to help your driver training business reduce the consequences if the event occurs. Your risk management plans should be regularly reviewed to ensure they accurately reflect current potential risks to your driver training business. Risk management is a structured approach to managing uncertainty and includes actions taken to identify, assess, monitor, and reduce the impact of risks to your driver training business. Applying the risk management process. The steps in the risk management process are as follows. 1. Identify hazards. 2. Assess the risks. 3. Decide on control measures. 4. Implement control measures. 5. Monitor and review. Step 1. Risk management process. A hazard is something with the potential to cause harm. This can include hazards such as chemicals, infectious diseases, plant, manual tasks, and noise. This step involves identifying all the possible situations or events which could harm people in the workplace. Activities which may help in the hazard identification process include workplace inspections, checklists, record of past accidents or near misses, information from manufacturers, employee consultation and Australian standards. Step 2. Risk is the likelihood that harm might result because of a hazard. In assessing risk, you should consider the likelihood of an incident occurring at the workplace and the consequences of the incident occurring. The more likely it is that an incident will occur and/or the more serious the consequences, the more urgent it is that the risk be controlled. The outcome of this step is a prioritized list of risks requiring further action. Control measures should be based on the hierarchy control as seen on the right of screen. This considers control measures in descending order of priority. We can see in the table at the top we have elimination, physically remove the hazard, substitution, replace the hazard, engineering controls, isolate people from the hazard, administrative controls, change the way people work, and PPE, protect the worker with personal protective equipment. We can see at the top in blue, on the left of screen, most effective, right down to least effective. Higher order controls include elimination, substitution, and isolation and engineering controls, and lower order controls include administrative controls and personal protective equipment. PPE should not be relied upon as the primary means of risk control and should be used when risk cannot be managed by other means and in conjunction with other control measures. Whichever control measure is chosen, it should adequately control exposure to the risk, not create another hazard, and allow employees to do their work without undue discomfort or distress. Step 4. Ensure that the control measure can operate effectively by developing appropriate work procedures. Communicate with and supervise employees to ensure the control measures are used correctly. Maintain the control measures to ensure ongoing effectiveness. Step 5. The last step involves checking that the control measures have been implemented, ensuring that they have eliminated or reduced the risks and that they haven't created any new hazards. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.